mấy size nhục qua. Yêu này cầm dùng size đó này trời các bạn.
But I'm doing the same thing.
Hén ô chỉ này cầm thêm dùng size á.
Ginger. A little bit of honey. Oh, if you guys hear water sounds, it's Reenie's water fountain we got for her. I made my juice. Almost, I'm like half finished. Today I woke up a little bit earlier than I usually do. I think I showed it. I woke up at 1, but when I did brush my teeth and everything, I was already almost 2. I had a lot planned for today, but I don't think I'll get to everything. I'm going to go maybe ice skating later. We're gonna see if the ice rink has not melted yet, because the weather has been actually really nice. It hasn't been that cold, so just gonna check that out to see. I just made it to the park. I think I can skate on it. I haven't really looked on it, but I'm gonna ice rink. I have 30 minutes until the sun sets. Yeah, hopefully I can get in a little bit, even if it's just a tad. This is the skating rink. It looks a little sus. You see how bumpy it is? And then this is the other problem. There's cement on the end, so oh, but it's not over there. I guess it's just melted here so people can get on. I shouldn't have worn Crocs. My toes are freezing. Yeah, I'm gonna put on my ice skates. I'm actually so scared. I haven't ice skated in so long. Wait, is this locked? It's locked. There's this here. It's closed? I see. I feel like I'm getting flashbacks to when I was in Winnipeg and things just didn't work out. I'm just gonna drive to Co-op and buy some baking because I want to bake. I also got these cute winter gloves. My Korean buddy got these for me during Christmas time. Okay, I guess I'll just figure out what I want to bake when I get there. I want to go skating. Maybe I should ask my classmates to come. Or we can go to the one at the university. I think that ice rink is more regulated, so I won't have to deal with sus ice and worry about getting injured. Recipe calls for 720 milliliters of heavy cream, but I only have, how much is this? 500 milliliters? Oh, you can't see it, but it says 500. So I'm just gonna hope that this is good enough. And some salt. That much. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon because I have less milk. just finished washing the dishes and the creme brulee is in the oven. And it'll take 30 minutes to get ready, finished, but hopefully it'll turn out well. It's my first time making it, and it's gonna be for the party tomorrow. Weenie is so cute. And I just got her used to the collar, so she's been really good. Oh, okay. This is my creme brulee. It looks pretty good, right? I think it turned out well, so let's try it. Oh my god, it's like solid too. I added like this little garnish. Wow, it's like actual creme brulee. Okay, let's crack it. Okay. Wow. Oh my god, I hope it's cooked inside. It's a little liquidy. I don't think it's supposed to be that liquidy. I'll try it though. Wow, it tastes so good. Just drinking soup. Maybe it's supposed to solidify in the fridge. Wait, maybe it's supposed to. Hold on. Oh. Chill for at least 4 hours. Oh my god. Right now I'm making like New Year cards for my friends. I don't want to show too much, just for my friend Mina, but yeah. Yippee. She says it's a lot, so I thought I'd add that. And I have a lot of cute stickers. And these ones are so cute. I even have like an Among Us book of stickers. It's like a full book of just Among Us characters. Yeah. I'm thinking of adding these fairy lights to my room just to like give it some more ambience. I just have to switch out the batteries real quick. See if this works. I'm thinking of putting the fairy lights kind of like along the windowsill. Only worry is that Weenie will kind of like destroy it, so we'll see how it's placed.